In this video, you'll learn how to effectively track your business using Notion. This guide will take you through each step required to set up your tracking system within this versatile application. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which features a clean layout with options to sign in or create an account. Next, locate the drop-down menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this menu to reveal a list of options. This menu allows you to access different features and settings within Notion. After this, select templates from the drop-down list. This action will direct you to a new page showcasing various template options available for your use. Templates are a great way to streamline your workflow and save time. Now, you will need to utilize the search box located at the top of the templates page. Type in business track to find templates specifically designed for tracking business activities. As you type, suggestions may appear to help you refine your search. Once you've entered your search term, browse through the results and choose a template that fits your business needs. Clicking on a template will provide you with a preview and additional details about its features and functionality. After selecting a template, look for the Add button, typically located on the right side of the template description. Clicking this button will initiate the process of adding the template to your workspace. Next, you will see an option that says Add to Private. Click on this to confirm that you want to add the selected template to your personal workspace. This ensures that you have your own copy of the template to customize as needed. Now, find and click on See Template to access the newly added template. This step will take you to the workspace where you can begin to customize the template according to your requirements. At this point, navigate to the section labeled Company Settings within the template. Click on this section to adjust settings specific to your business tracking needs. This area allows you to input essential information about your company. Next, you will want to click on Operations within this settings menu. This link will direct you to operational templates where you can manage different aspects of your business tracking. After that, click on Time Tracking to access the time management features of your business template. This section will allow you to track hours worked, project timelines, and other relevant metrics. Finally, click on any blank space within the template to begin adding your specific data. This action allows you to enter information relevant to your business operations and tracking efforts. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.